So here we are at the beginning of Kent's graduation with PhDs.
No kidding.
I'm just so scared that
It does get a little chaotic at times, but there is organization within the chaos that only a person who's organizing the chaos can see. Do you know what I'm saying? Burn. These are the PhDs. They're doing their ceremony ahead of time. And at the next event, I will be using a GoPro to see if we can use AI facial recognition for the duration of this company's life. Let's see what happens. This is Kent State. This is where I went to school.
Shreya Anil Kumar Gupta, Doctor of Philosophy.
Things have changed a lot, obviously.
Safa Kadum Shabar, Doctor of Philosophy.
Usually my job is to photograph each grad.
Xinfang Zhang, Doctor of Philosophy.
This is either close-up or the CP. There's obviously other photographers doing their thing. It's basically a corralling of cattle.
Grace Ann Romaine Rohaley, Doctor of Philosophy.
And that's Kent State. We'll see how the GoPro and AI facial recognition work out for the next event. Way early in the morning when I actually have time to set up for this project because car problems. I was a little pressed for time. I wasn't late, but I was pressed for time, if that makes any sense, because this is extra stuff that is not on the curriculum. So we'll see how it goes tomorrow with the GoPro, man. Don't you know? So now we're at the end, which is only the beginning because I work a little bit longer than everyone else.
Congratulations, and graduates, I have no doubt that with the right vision and determination, your Kent State education will carry you forward. Now, we've been putting the spotlight on our graduates tonight, and properly so. They've earned our respect and appreciation. In fact, your future is so bright, I gotta wear shades.
So they're gonna shoot out some fireworks here that I have to be a little bit aware of.
Siblings, spouses, partners, family, friends, and the two people that took the wrong exit off of the interstate. Would you please stand so that we may recognize you? Graduates, please stand and give a big round of applause. first stanza of the alma mater, and after the alma mater, please remain in place until directed by the commencement officials for the recessional. Once again, we say congratulations.
That's a wrap. I didn't get blowed up.